In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the No Volume SVAPO Indicator in TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open for the market or asset you want to analyze. It can be any symbol and any time frame. The process is exactly the same. On your main chart window, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for and add almost any tool you need in TradingView. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll quickly find the specific indicator, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search bar to activate it, then start typing the name of the indicator exactly as you want it to appear. Type No Volume SVAPO into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Give it a second if needed, and look through the list that appears. You should see the No Volume SVAPO indicator listed there. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually as a separate panel below your price action. Now that the indicator is on your chart, you'll probably want to fine-tune it so it matches your trading style. Hover your mouse over the No Volume SVAPO panel and look for the small gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window for the indicator. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths, smoothing, or other parameters provided by the script, and you can also change the style, such as colors and line thickness. Take a moment to explore these options so the indicator is both visually clear and aligned with how you read your charts. When you're done adjusting, click OK or close the window and your changes will be applied right away. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock the full potential of these tools with more features and fewer limitations, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my tutorials using the same layout and functionality. And that's all you need to do to quickly add the No Volume SVAPO indicator in TradingView Pro and customize it for your trading.